Should I start taping? Too late. Jeremy, you melted the plastic over your camera. Now it's blurry.
Really?
Yeah.
No, it's always blurry. It wasn't melted. Here we go. Ready?
I feel like someone's gonna die here. I'll get the blowtorch.
It won't work. Yeah, get that. Evan, go.
There we go. He's on fire! Faster, boy!
Now the exhaust smells even better.
You know, if you put a blowtorch up to his exhaust, it'll start burning.
Yeah.
GoPro camera, just let him hold it while he's riding.
I was like checking my phone and stuff while I was hanging off the back on the skateboard.
I want to get a GoPro camera.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, I'm done. Me too. Never mind, I'll just let him have his fun.
Dude, the shadow looks sick. Look at the shadow. Oh wow.
Whoa.
The shadow like moves so fast.
Oh, I see. I feel like this is pollution. Like, to the max.
We should drive through the whole like neighborhood.
Alright, you're done.